Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to navigate through Google Classroom. Some of you may have already done this before, and this may be new to a few of you. So first, you're going to add a new class. You're going to add the plus button over here, click it, and then you will enter the code that your teacher gives you. The code should be about 5 to 7 digits, and as soon as you type something in, you should be able to add. You click the join up there, you should join a class. After you join the class, it'll show up like this. Then you can click on it and it'll take you to something like this. You can create posts here. You can make an announcement so all the people in this class will see it. On this stream, you'll see when your teacher posts assignments, everything, or an announcement. Right here on the left side of the screen, we'll list all of your upcoming work for the class. You can press view all and it'll take you to the to-do list where you can see all of your work there. You can see what work you have missing and also what work you've already completed. Also on the to-do list, you can choose to see the work you have for a specific class, or you can see everything you have coming up for all of the classes that you're enrolled in on Google Classroom. And if you go over here to the main menu on the left top hand corner, you can navigate to all of your classes here and the to-do list. If you click back here, you go back to the home page where you see all your classes. You can click on the calendar. It'll say what you have due, when your classes are, and stuff like that. And if you go back to your class and go to your classwork, you have an easy navigation with clicking on the filters, and it'll take you to what is posted in that module. And if you click on an assignment, it'll show up like this. So where you have the description of your assignment, and you can click on the attachment that your teacher has for your directions, and you can add your work over here on the right side of the screen where it says your work. You can add a Google Doc or anything from your Google Drive. You see, if you can just click on it and it'll add like that, and then you press submit. You can take things off like that. You can add or if you don't want to add anything, you can also create a new Google Doc or any Google form or anything, and then go to work like that. You can take it off just like that. And after you submit it, your teacher can comment on it, and it'll then give you feedback, which is really nice to have. And overall, that's pretty much all Google Classroom has to offer. It's a really useful tool for keeping all of your classwork organized and doing all your classwork online. Personally, I find it really easy to use. It definitely gets easier after you use it a lot, but it shouldn't be too hard for anybody. And if you have any questions, please let me know.